larger spices. I don't know if you can hear that. It just comes in and out and in and out. What do you want? Anyway, so I passed this. Hi everybody, welcome to the Vegan Brit. So it's Christmas this week and I thought I would give you a really nice Christmas morning breakfast idea. I'm going to show you how to make apple chai latte porridge. This is actually a chai latte porridge recipe that I found online, but I want to add in some apple, a bit of fruit. I'm also going to throw in some almond butter because nut butter and apples, perfect combination. I just couldn't resist, and you want something a little bit extra special for Christmas morning, so I'm jazzing this up a little bit. I don't think I've ever 100% followed a recipe. I've always ended up adding in something else of my own, even if it's the first time trying it, which it is for this, and it's always turned out well, so maybe they're my famous last words, but hey, my channel's been going for about 6 months now, and if I can't take risks now, when can I take them? If I am going to take risks, I might as well take risks with porridge. So for your apple chai latte porridge, you're going to need dairy-free milk, porridge oats, cardamom, star anise, ground ginger, ground nutmeg, ground cinnamon, and my little extras to the recipe, apple, almond butter, and I always add these to my porridge to get some omega-3 into my diet, flax seeds, and chia seeds. As always, the recipe is in the description below, so if you want to make this too, you can. The first step is to infuse the milk, and then we're going to use that milk to make our porridge. You want a kiddo? You want a little kiddo? Can you be quiet, please, so I can do my video? Now I'm going to put this on the stove and bring it to the boil. So my spices gently simmering away, and while that simmers, I'm going to cut up my apple. And you know I like a time lapse, so let's do a time lapse. Here's all of my chopped apple, and so I passed the spice milk through a sieve to get rid of the larger spices. I don't know if you can hear that. It just comes in and out and in and out. What do you want? Anyway, so I passed this. How much are you going to interrupt my video? You want to go back out now? So, I passed the spice milk through a sieve to get rid of the large bits of spices, the cardamom pods and the star anise, and I've just added that milk to my porridge. This is boiling away quite nicely. I'm going to wait for it to cook a little bit more before I add in my apple. So I've added my apple and I'm just going to leave it to cool down a little bit, and I'm going to serve it up. Here is the finished breakfast. I've got the spice porridge with apple. I put some almond butter in, chia seeds and flax seeds, and I've put in a little bit of coconut yogurt, which is completely optional, but I love this yogurt and I just wanted to see what it was like having a little bit of something cold with the rest of my porridge. So just gonna grab a bit of everything. I'm really looking forward to this. And that's such a luxury to have for breakfast on Christmas morning. Although on Christmas morning I'm normally eating lots of chocolate. You can add a bit of maple syrup if you want it to be sweeter. I would add maple syrup, but I don't have it. But if I had it, I would definitely add it. It's warm and lots of spices, got lots of goodness in there too. The fruit and the oats and the nut butter, you've got everything in there, protein, omega-3. And most of all, it just tastes really good. Okay, I definitely need to go off and eat this. Thank you so much for watching another video. If you haven't already, subscribe, hit the like button, press the bell icon so you get notified when a new video goes up. Share the videos with your friends, leave a comment if there's anything you want me to make a vegan food video on, and I hope you all have a really excellent Christmas. See you all next week. Bye! Give that like button a hit and subscribe to the Vegan Brit.